Winter Storm Draco battering the West Coast. Winter storm watches and warnings are in effect from the Cascades to the Wasatch Mountains. We'll break down the storm with expert analysis you won't find anywhere else. Now, on the flip side of the weather story, where we could see above average temperatures as we round out the last week of fall. Live from the Weather Channel in Atlanta, you're watching Day Planner.
And good Monday to you. Thanks for joining us here on Day Planner. I'm Nick Walker along with Vivian Brown. We are keeping a close eye on Winter Storm Draco as it starts to bear down on the West Coast and move eastward. It will eventually bring more snow to areas already covered in it. Let's take a look at what it looks like in North Dakota right now. Yikes. You can see just how bad the driving conditions are. Okay, watch closely. There's a car that's going to be coming. See, hardly able to see it until it's right on you. All right, we'll have more on Draco coming up in just a minute. But first, here's Vivian with a look at where the thunderstorms are brewing already.
Oh, yeah, we're watching the warm, unstable air mass in place across parts of the southeast and New Orleans. You're right smack in the middle. Check it out, up to 70 degrees at this hour. Looks rather peaceful there on Bourbon Street, doesn't it? Is anybody awake yet? 70 degrees with the low clouds lingering over the city. But as we look at the overall scenario now, with those temperatures in the upper 60s, low 70s, there is the chance now that we're still looking at the instability great enough for the stormy weather. Right now, on the current radar, we are noticing a little bit of light rain south and east of New Orleans. But look at the embedded line of storms that we're finding from the panhandle of Florida through southeastern Alabama, central Georgia right now. And you do see the dangerous lightning strikes here. These lightning strikes been indicated by the little strokes there near the Macon area. Most of this has pushed on off to your south Atlanta, but it has been a dreary morning, certainly in the Atlanta area. In fact, over the last 48 hours, maybe close to 2 inches we've had so far for you, Atlanta, after seeing all the rain yesterday linger over the city. And over 3.5 inches, we're thinking this is an estimate now of rain here in northern Louisiana and southern Arkansas. Here's a look at the future radar, because as we go through the next 24 hours, we're expecting things to dry out and even clear out from west to east. But notice by late this evening, we're looking at some of the last little vestiges here of rain in the eastern parts of North Carolina. But all of this action, again, is right out ahead of the cold front as it will slowly be pushing off to the east. So then here's the official look now at the threat of the severe weather today. We have outlined in the red where we think those storms could really turn severe. South Georgia to the coastal areas of the Carolinas, even central Tennessee up into Kentucky. Spotty, damaging winds are possible and even the chance of tornadoes. We cannot rule that out, but you know, that's what we do. We'll be here watching it for you very closely and warning you imminently if there is the need. Nick?
Well, there's certainly a need to warn you about snow here in Salt Lake City. I know it doesn't look like it right now with that beautiful blue sky, but I tell you what, those snow-capped mountains are going to get a brand new coating, and probably in a big way, we're going to see some feet of snow up into the Wasatch. It's Winter Storm Draco, and we've named this storm because it is going to have significant impacts, including impacts to travel at a time that we really don't want.
A high surf warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 45 degrees under cloudy skies with windy conditions. Our local Doppler radar. Today, rain and wind. High 45. Winds west at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Rainfall around 1/2 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For tonight, mix of rain and snow. Low 36. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. On Tuesday, cloudy with showers. High 42. Chance of rain 60%. Our 7-day outlook.